Sarah is a busy professional managing multiple health conditions. She's visited 3 different doctors this year: her general physician, a cardiologist, and a diagnostic lab. Each time, she's had to fill out forms, repeat her medical history, and wait for test results to be transferred. It's frustrating, inefficient, and slows down her care. And it's not just patients, doctors and hospitals struggle too. Medical professionals spend over 10 hours a week just on administrative work, chasing records, and verifying patient histories. Duplicate tests cost the healthcare industry billions every year, while delays in accessing information impact patient outcomes. The system is broken. Now, imagine a world where Sarah never has to repeat herself. With Fusion, her entire medical history is securely and instantly accessible to her doctors, whether she's visiting a clinic, a specialist, or an emergency room. No paperwork. No delays. Just the right information, at the right time. Fusion acts as a smart connector between hospitals, labs, pharmacies, and insurance providers. It automatically updates Sarah's records every time she visits a doctor, undergoes a test, or receives a prescription, ensuring that her healthcare providers always have the latest, most accurate information. And for Sarah? She stays in control, deciding who gets access to her medical data, keeping her privacy intact. For doctors and hospitals, Fusion eliminates wasted time and guesswork. Instead of relying on outdated systems and back-and-forth communication, providers get a single, structured source of truth, reducing medical errors, cutting redundant tests, and making patient care faster and more effective. For patients like Sarah, this means faster treatment, fewer tests, and no more waiting weeks for paperwork to catch up. It also means better coordinated care, because when all her doctors are on the same page, she gets the best possible treatment without delays or confusion. The reality? 30% of healthcare costs are wasted due to inefficiencies. Doctors spend more time on paperwork than patient care. And most medical errors happen due to missing or incomplete records. Without a change, these challenges will only grow. Fusion is the answer, bringing speed, accuracy, and convenience to healthcare providers and patients alike. The question is, will you keep losing time and revenue to outdated systems, or will you make the shift? It's time to transform the way healthcare works. Talk to us today and see how Fusion can help you save time, cut costs, and deliver better care. Because in healthcare, time saved is lives saved.